What is good, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video. And in this one, I want to talk about why Tesla just ran the way it did. And also, I'm going to break down some more news about the markets and talk about how the charts are looking. But let me first say that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And don't forget about the Moomoo link, the offerings today. If you deposit $100, you're guaranteed up to 5 free stocks. Putting in $1,000 guarantees you 15 free stocks. Anyways, what's happening with the markets thus far? SPY is showing some weakness. This thing tried to push up. It was kind of trading sideways right over here, as you guys could see, consolidating. It did try to get a breakout, came back down. So it's just been back and forth throughout the whole day. It could drop a little bit more from here, so just be kind of careful. So it's not looking too strong, not extremely weak, just kind of sideways, very choppy. But if you look at Tesla's broken out. It's got a big push, and we actually reached 195 today, the previous resistance. So what's going on with Tesla? Why is it outperforming SPY? That's because a new filing report has come out and showing that Elon Musk owns 20.5% of the company, 715 million shares in total. 411 million are just in common stock, and then options to purchase of 304 million. So that's some great news. His stake is at 20.5% of the company, technically, or at least that's the amount of shares he owns. If you're not just counting common stock, so that's actually a lot of shares. And that's actually some good news because he kept saying he wanted to have 25% of the company when it comes to making decisions and such. So he's not actually that far. And that made Tesla pop and outperform the market. So the new filing report is showing that as of December 31st, that is good news for Tesla. Tesla's outperforming the market. We're going to be watching this resistance right here. We have this zone of resistance around 194.5 to about 195 overall. We're watching to see how it's kind of like reacting here. If you get any of these rejections, I'd be watching 192.5 as support, followed by 190. Overall, it's forming this nice kind of like cup that could be forming. We'll be watching to see if it kind of continues to retrace a bit before trying to break out. It looks bullish overall. Nice looking trend. And we'll be watching to see how Tesla reacts to this resistance. It's still holding up nicely. For SPY, like I said before, it's kind of choppy, showing a little bit of weakness. It could retrace a bit more, but as you can see, it's just very indecisive, back and forth and back and forth. Price action around 500. You want to see it break 501 to turn bullish. You want to see it lose 498 to turn bearish. Otherwise, it's kind of stuck in the 499s, not really doing a whole lot. Very sideways, very choppy. QQQ has come down quite a bit. We did expect this to happen, and now it's trying to rebound a little bit. Watch and see how it holds 432. Still kind of stuck in that range. If we lose that, we could get very close to 430 and then 431, then 420. The 429s below that. And then to be bullish, you want to see it break above this high here, 433.3. If it breaks, our next target will be closer to 434. Overall, I would say that the QQQ is looking a little weaker, a little indecisive, and it might just kind of chop around 432. So not as strong, showing some weakness. It could even drop a little lower later, but just wanted to call that out. For Nvda, we had this very nice looking cup and handle like structure. We're basically trying to fight for 734. We have support at 730 and then 725. It did come down to our target of 725 and bounced. Kind of stuck now. I think it's just going to remain range bound. It kind of trades sideways between this range over here. It could retrace a little bit later, but overall it's just very sideways. There's not a whole lot going on with it. Very stationary price action. So watch resistance at 734, watch support at 730. Might be stuck at least for the time being. For Aapl of all things is looking a little bit weak. We have this strong downtrend. We're starting to lose 182, so our next target will be close to 181 flat. If we lose that, 180 is coming next, and then watch resistance at 182.5. Apple's on this downtrend looking relatively weak, especially because of the Warren Buffett news about how Berkshire is, selling some of the shares. So not the best of news. Apple's looking relatively weak, so we'll see how it does. But with that being said, that's going to be your very quick update. Have a great day, guys. Remain calm, cool, and collected. Know that Apple's looking relatively weak. SPY is very choppy, and Tesla's outperforming. Don't forget about that, and we know the reason why Tesla's outperforming. So take care. I'll see you guys in a couple of hours to give you another update, and peace out.